Hi there. My name is TimODavis. For more than 30 years, I've lived at the Temple of the Universe, the spiritual community in Alachua, Florida, founded and led by Michael A. Singer. I fell in love with Mickey's teachings because they represent deep wisdom as expressed by multiple faith groups over thousands of years. Mickey's always quoted Yogananda, the Bible, Christ, Quran, Muhammad, Buddha, the Bhagavad Gita, and many other teachers, all with deep respect. My course, Living and Working with the Untethered Soul, and my online community, the Untethered Collective, were created to celebrate and explore the beauty of these teachings, to learn how to unlock the mysteries of our inner self, and practice letting go of our past burdens and blockages. Together in this course, we'll experience true growth by working with our thoughts, emotions, and our energy. So whether you've read The Untethered Soul or are new to these teachings, this course is your invitation to a transformative journey. Become part of our community and grow with us.